Ang daming malalaking relihiyon sa Pilipinas na ang ugat ay Yahweh religion. Kaya ako na dinidiscuss sa inyo dahil kukontrahin natin dahil ang Panginoon natin ay ang Panginoong Jesus. Yung ganitong klase na puro worship, puro service, naku po, hindi yan ang ating God the Father. Si Yahweh, lahat yan meron siya, hindi yan ang Diyos natin. Remember, si Yahweh ay thief. Siya ay magnanakaw. Tapos sabi ni Jesus sa John 10:10, sino yung thief? Sino yung thief? Sino yung magnanakaw? Ano yung ninakaw ni Yahweh? O tapos sabi ni Jesus sa John 10:10, ang magnanakaw ay naparito. Sino yung tinutukoy? Sino yung tinutukoy ni Jesus na thief, di ba? Sino ba yung thief na mahilig mag-steal? Yung mahilig mag-kill, sino? Yung mahilig mag-destroy, sino? So, sino yung tinutukoy dyan? Tapos ang turo sa atin, si Satanas daw. O sige, kung si Satanas ang tinutukoy sa John 10:10, so si Blanc ay si Satanas. Malinaw na. Malinaw. Pag si Jesus po nagsasalita sa New Testament, hindi yan empty words lang. May pinariringgan, may pinatatamaan. John chapter 8. So if the Son sets you free, you are truly free. Yes, I realize that you are descendants of Abraham. And yet some of you are trying to kill me. Ba't niyo ako gustong ipapatay? Sabi ni Jesus. Because there's no room in your hearts for my message. Freedom, love, and grace. Ayaw nyo nun. Gusto nyo kasi batas. I am telling you what I saw when I was with my father. But you are following the advice of your own father. Magkaiba ang father ni Jesus at father nila. Sabi ng mga tao, hindi, our father is Abraham. No, sabi ni Jesus, for if you were really the children of Abraham, you would follow his example. Instead, you are trying to kill me. Pinapapatay niyo ako. Sabi ni Jesus, because I told you the truth, which I heard from God. Abraham never did such a thing. You are imitating your real father. Father's Day bukas. Diba? Dapat sigurado tayo ng tatay natin ay ang tatay ni Jesus na mapagmahal. Jesus told them, if God were your father, you would love me. Kung yung Diyos nyo, yung tatay nyo ay Diyos ko at tatay ko rin, dapat mahal nyo ako. Eh, ba't pinapapatay nyo ako? Because I have come to you from God. I am not here on my own, but He sent me. Why can't you understand what I'm saying? It's because you cannot even hear me. Kung ang ama ko ang inyong ama, eh di sana mapagmahal din kayo. The most favorite verse, John 8:44. For you are the children of your father, the devil. Sino yung father, the devil, na tinutukoy ni Jesus? Huwag nyo naman i-post mamaya sa Facebook, Yahweh is the devil. O, baka mabash naman kayo. Matalino na lang dapat. Ito, sabi, your father is the devil and you love to do the evil things he does. Umatay, magnakaw, di ba? He was a murderer from the beginning. Di ba? He was a murderer from the beginning. He has always hated the truth because there's no truth in him. When he lies, kapag siya ay nagsinungaling, it is consistent with his character. For he is a liar and the father of lies. Sino yung mahilig magsinungaling sa Old Testament? Sino ang kanilang ama? Yahweh. Sino ang ama ni Jesus? The Most High God, Elyon. So ngayon, nadi-differentiate na natin, dapat pala maka-Jesus ako, hindi ako maka-Old Testament, hindi ako maka-Yahweh. Nadi-differentiate na natin ngayon. Amen?